this what you wanted?
What's up guys, Sal here. So you might have heard this already that not all the screen protectors will work with the Galaxy S10's ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is true, and because of that, Samsung is already pre-installing the screen protectors on the Galaxy S10 devices right out of the box. It will cover the whole display, including the curved edges. Samsung is warning users that they shouldn't opt for third-party screen protectors because they probably are not gonna work. They're basically saying, don't mess this one up because it's the best you can get. By the way, it will come with 90 days of warranty, so if it isn't applied properly, you can still get a replacement. It will cost you $30 if you want to buy a new one though. That said, it sucks that it doesn't work with all the third-party screen protectors except for the white stone dome, but it's really appreciated that you're already getting one pre-installed out of the box, and the best thing is it covers the curved edges too, which most of the third-party ones doesn't. So this whole thing shouldn't really bother anyone. Yes, the Galaxy S10 has already gotten a software update. With this, Samsung has improved a number of things. First of all, now you can remap the Bixby button.
Thank you!
As for the remapping, you can set the button to simply open any app you want like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Google Maps, any app, or execute a custom quick command. It's about time this happened. The Bixby button placement is in such an awkward position, making it easy for the accidental presses. The most annoying thing is when Bixby shows up. So yeah, it's about time this happened. The update also brings Instagram mode. It integrates with Instagram and helps you send your photos to your Instagram stories. Also, the update brings improvements to the fingerprint scanner as well as improve the stability of the camera. By the way, all these new updates will be readily available to you once your device is shipped to you on March 8th. Up until now, if you pre-order the Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus, you would get free Galaxy Buds worth $130. But it looks like that offer is now expired, probably because Samsung has run out of supply. But there's a good news too. Samsung is instead giving $130 of e-certificate on select Samsung products, which means you can buy any Samsung accessories or you can just buy the Galaxy Buds once they are in stock again. Anyway, consider subscribing for daily content like this, and as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.